good, guys? It's your boy Sierato back at you one more time again, and in today's video we are taking a little bit of a trip back in time. I'm opening up the vault here. Okay, I got some Duke videos for you that I could not drop earlier, but you know, time has elapsed. The tournament is over, everybody's moving on. They've all declared for the draft now, so except for Trey, you know, Trey's holding it down for next year. Got the next #1 recruiting class again. Shout out to Duke, that's crazy. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work with my boy Cassius, you know, Matt, all those guys down there. It's gonna be kind of crazy. But in this video, I'm doing shoes for RJ, Zion, and Cam. Zion's was the more pressing at the time, so I think I knocked his out first. So you're gonna see those first, and I'm gonna pull out RJ's out of the box, get to paint those and Cam's at the same time, because that's how I do my multitask. I just get down like that, I'm nice like that. Let's hop in. All right, so we're back at it again. Special hookup for my guy Nolan. He's basically letting me knock out shoes for basically all the guys on the team. Had to hook my guy Nolan up with a pair too, so you know, of course he sent a pair down, so we knocked those out too. I'll let you guys take a look at those real quick before we start. I actually had to do Trey and Nolan's beforehand, just due to time constraints and everything like that. I didn't have a chance to actually record those like I wanted to. But anyways, let's go inside and check these things out real quick. See what we're working with.
Hey, yo, y'all see this though? All right, this is my old workhorse chair. Everybody in the comments, I need you to put rest in peace, okay? Because Bestie over here, she got worked out, and as you can see, it's supposed to sit like this, but it linked linked on me in the middle of Zion's shoes. Can you believe that shit? Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at her. So here we got Trey's. He's had some cancer activity in his family over there right now. They're going through some stuff, so we wanted to make sure we kept these simple and clean. You know, you gotta never give up. You know, never give that hope up or whatever. You know, life keeps pushing. You know, she gonna keep pushing too. We already know that. So my guy Nolan, though, I had to hook him up. You know, he's been so good to me or whatever. You know, helping me out with all this stuff, and I want to make sure he got like a real taste of the brotherhood, you know, of Duke basketball that there is, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, all the accolades, you know, of Duke basketball, basically. Everything that the brotherhood's basically done for them, you know, I want to put on there. So getting to be a part of this is kind of cool, kind of dope. So I want to do like a specialty Duke version, all the Duke versions, you know, make sure you guys get that, you know. You cannot get these in the store. They are not available. And then now we're going to hop on to RJ's and another pair for my man Zion down here, you know, the big boy 15s. You know, those are super icy. Probably never seen those before, right? Nope, I haven't. So he's going PG series. They don't make a Duke edition of these yet, but I'm gonna put some Duke stuff on here, so we're good. Alright, so as you can see, we got all the shoe taped up. It's a lot of masking on this one. Make sure we keep everything the way we need to keep it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my stencils here. I'm gonna take my ruler, and we're gonna go ahead and measure out where the stencils need to go, what size they need to be, put them into the machine, take them over there, cut them out, place them to the shoe. Alright, so now we've got our base layer done on the insides of these, and on our outsoles where shark teeth is gonna go for this battle shark jet design. That's what I'm gonna call it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut these stencils out individually, place whichever ones need to go down the shoe now, and then save the rest for after the base paint layers on the second layer anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on here, place them in the right spots, and get rolling paint. So we just finished up doing all the detailing, taking all the stencils off, taking all the masking tape off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the laces in these, sign the back of them, put them in the box, and ship them on out.
Look at this. They Greg Martin. There's that. This a vengeance. Leave the ship. What do you think, big fella?
He is very special right there. Almost fell down. Concentration to flash.
And how about the power? Big time stuff. Wow, look at this guy.
Great pazzle. Zion Williamson doing it all right here, but Duke turning up the intensity here.
End up center. Williamson driving out.